Makulimlim na rito guys. Mukhang uulan na maya-maya lang.
Mas pinasarap.
Alright, time check natin is 4:30 guys. Exactly 4:30. Ayan, magandang hapon sa inyo. Oy, alright, okay, another classic and iconic song. James Ingram, Just Once. Acoustic cover song for you. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to say or head out of the door. Just once, can't we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why would it never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? And just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magical last for more than just one night. And if we could just get to it, I know we could break through it.
Thank you po. Thank you.
And I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we got going. And it seems at times we all we got, we haven't got a prayer. And just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? And why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? And just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I want to stay. And why it always comes back to goodbye? Why can we get ourselves in it and then admit to one another we're no good without each other? Take the best and make it better, or find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Oh, make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. And oh, we can get to it just once. Oh, diba? Ay, shout out Lynn. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Glay, shout out. Magandang hapon guys. Ayan. Grabe. Mukhang malakas na naman ang ulan.